Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is module 2, week number 6, and today we are going to talk about mathematical operations 2. We are going to continue talking about what we started in the previous week. So our objectives is again to further work with object-centered design. We want to look at Boolean expressions. We want to see how to study the increment and decrement operations. Now, in the previous class, we said that we have the shortcut operators, which is plus plus a and b minus minus, let's say. So for instance, for this example, c is equal to plus plus a. So c will equal to, what is plus plus a? Plus plus a means increment a before using it. So we are going to say c plus is equal to 5 plus use b before decrement. So b will equal to 2. So in this case, c will equal to 7. Okay, so in this case, c will equal to 7, a will equal to 5, and b will equal to 1. Now, same applies over here. Same applies over here. If we said b minus minus a or plus plus a, this means c will equal to b minus minus, meaning use the value of b before changing, and we are going to continue on this example. So these are our new values. So b minus minus will equal to 1 minus plus plus a. So a will equal to 5 plus plus a, which is equal to 6. So this will give us a minus 5. Sorry, this will give us a minus 5. Now, after that, the value of b will equal to 0. The value of a will equal to 6, and the value of c will equal to minus 5. This is what we talked about in our previous class. Now today we are going to talk about precedence. Precedence means which instruction should be performed first. In Arabic اللي هي الأولوية. So if we have this question, which is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. If we put the brackets here, this means that whatever is in the brackets will be done first. So it is 2 plus 3, which is 5, multiplied by 4 will give you 20. Now, if we put the brackets here, it will be a 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12, plus 2, which will equal to 14. So which one is the correct one? So in C++, we have rules for precedence, and we are going to talk about them today. So if we get a question like this, which is 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4, you see here, multiplication has higher precedence compared to addition. So we always go to 2 multiplied by 8, which is 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, plus 3, which will give us 11. Now, for precedence, these are the precedence in sequence. So from top to down, this one is the highest, and this one is the lowest precedence. So we have the highest and we have the lowest precedence. So the highest precedence is for brackets, then positive, negative, not. انتبهوا, this is not addition, this is not subtraction, this is positive, negative. So if I say minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, it's not It's not subtraction. It is minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to 10, because minus multiplied by minus is positive. Next is multiplication, division, and modulus. Multiplication, division, and modulus. Next, we have addition and subtraction. Be careful between these two. This is positive and negative, and this one is addition and subtraction. Then we have the comparison operators. This is less than or equal, greater than or equal. This one is equal. This one is not equal. This one logical and this one is logical or. So these are the precedents, and this is how we are going to go about them. So in order to understand them more, we need to understand this through examples. So we have associativity. Consider the possible values of an expression, which is 8 minus 4 minus 2. What is the answer over here? First answer will be 8 minus 4, which is 4, minus 2, which is 2. The second option is 8 minus 4 minus 2, which is 2. 8 minus 2 will be equal to 6. So here precedence doesn't help us. Instead, associativity will tell us subtraction is a left associative function. And when we say left associative, we start from left to right. We put brackets here, then brackets here. So if I say 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to, so we start by associating these two together. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 minus 1. So then we say 3 minus 3, which is 0. 0 minus 1 will give us a minus 1. This is how we do it. All the functions in C++ are left associative. The only right associative functions are plus equal, minus equal, multiplied equal, and division equal, modulus equal, and equal. So what do we mean by this? In order to understand this, let's take an example over here. Okay, let's take first an example. So in our example, let's say that we say integer. Sorry. Integer a is equal to 5. Integer b is equal to 3. Okay, this is integer. Now I will say a minus equal b plus 2. Now, in order to do this, we need to evaluate the values over here. So it will be a is equal to a minus b plus 2. Now, here it says all of the functions are left associative, but these operators are right associative, meaning we need to put always a bracket over here. So when I put a bracket over here, I will have b plus 2, which is 5, and a is 5, so 5 minus 5 will equal to 0. If I did not put the brackets, then it will be a is equal to a minus b plus 2. Using left associative, it will be 5 minus 3, which is 2, plus 2, which is equal to 4. and this is wrong. This is the right answer. Okay, so this is the difference over here. So let's take, for example, first of all, integer a is equal to 6, integer b is equal to 5, c is equal to 9. C out a plus b multiplied by c. So we have integer a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5. So in precedence, multiplication has higher priority. So first we multiply 5, which is b, by 9, which is 45. 45 plus 6 will equal to 51. Then we output. So if you have like this a multiplied by b modulus c. Now, in terms of precedence, we go back here, we find that multiplication, division, and modulus are of the same level. So in this case, we go from left to right. So here we evaluate a multiplied by b, which is 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 30 modulus 9 is 3. 30 modulus 9 is 3. Because if you remember, 30 divided by 9, 30 multiplied by 30 divided by 9 will evaluate as 3. 3 multiplied by 9 is 27, and the remainder is 3. So this is our modulus. The next example, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d, which is equal to 6. Okay? X is equal to x, y, and z and c are all integers. X is equal to y, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 5. So here we have to find c. So over here, c is equal to a, which has the value of 5, multiplied by b, which has, a has the value of 8, multiplied by b, which has the value of 5, b, which has the value of 5, then divided by 3, plus a, which is 8, divided by, 8, divided by x, which is 5. Now, to evaluate this, since you have addition over here, you are going to consider these two separate. So we are going to evaluate this part, and do the addition between them. So the first part over here, we have, since multiplication and division are of the same level, so we have to multiply 8 multiplied by 5, which is 40, over 3, plus 8 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, 8 divided by 5, which is 1. So we have to do 40 divided by 3. So 12 is 36, 13 is 39, so it is 13, plus 1. So C will equal to 14 for this part. So over here, C is equal to 14. Next one, another value for C. Next, another value of C we are going to check. So over here, okay, so another value for 13. Let's see the next one. It says C is equal to 9 plus A modulus B. So it is 9 plus, what is A? A is equal to 8. What is B? B is equal to 5. 8 modulus 5 is equal to 3. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So the value over here is 12. The final one, okay, so the final one over here okay, so the final one is, this is a laser, okay, the final one is C is equal to 10 over 3 multiplied by 2 plus B between brackets. This is division, okay, this is division. So first of all, highest precedence is whatever is between the brackets. So it is 2 plus 5 is the highest precedence. Then we have the 10 over 3 multiplied by this number. So we have 10 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. In precedence, multiplication and division will have the same level. So we have 10 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So over here we will have 21. So our answers will look something like this. Now it will be 14, 12, and 21. So example number 4. Example number 4, we have 17 over 2 over 3 minus 125 modulus 5. So it will be this part first, then this part, then we do the subtraction between them. So 17 by 2 is 8, and 8 by 3 is 2, minus 125 modulus 5 is 0. Okay, so it will give us 0 for the answer. As for this one, 2.5 multiplied by 6, 2.5 multiplied by 6 is 15, plus 3, it is 18, 18 divided by 2, it is 9, as you will see. So these are the examples, and these are your answers over here. Okay, so this is 2.5 multiplied by 6. It will be 5. 5 plus 3, it is, sorry, 5. Sorry. So this one is 2.5 multiplied by 6 is 15. And we have to evaluate these alone. So this is 1.5. You sum them, and you will get the answer as 16.5. The last one over here, the answer will be 10.2, 11.25. So I will stop here for this class, and we are going to continue in the second part later on. Thank you for watching.